Say hi. Hey spooky people, welcome back to my channel. Caitlin here, and I am back today with my November Redbird vintage box. This is now my second Redbird vintage box, and I'm super excited to see what is inside. As you guys know, Redbird Vintage is a monthly subscription where they send you mystery vintage accessories, and I'm really excited to see what is in here. As you can see, this box is significantly smaller than last month, so I wonder what's inside. I guess we'll see. I did request some items, so I'm interested to see if I did get any of those. And without further ado, let's open up the box and see what's in here. Okay, opening the box. Got some pink paper and a kitty. Kitty wasn't included. Okay. Ooh, it looks like they tied our box with a scarf this month, so it looks like our flare piece is a scarf, which is cool. I love to wear scarves in my hair, so I will definitely get good use out of that. But let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is the whole package. I'm gonna set the box down. Okay, so I'm gonna untie the scarf and then we'll look at the individual pieces. Okay, so here is our scarf. It's like one of those very thin see-through linen type scarves, and it appears to be a square, as you can see. I think this will be really cute tied up in my hair. I believe I did ask them for orange this month because I do really like to wear pumpkin orange in the fall. As you can see, my shirt I'm wearing now is orange stripes, and this would actually go pretty well with it, so that's good. The brand on the scarf is Your Soiree. I don't know. But this seems like a good scarf. It's definitely pretty. My card from Redbird this month. It says, Caitlin, I hope you love your box. Thank you, from Sarah. And then, looks like here we have something red. Not sure what this is, although I have an idea of what it could be. And then I have our usual flowered bag here in which they put the jewelry and stuff like that. So let's unpack it and see what's in here. Okay, so now I'm going to open up my little package here and see what's inside. I'm going to start with this red item. I think that it's a beret that I requested, but let's see for sure. Yep, that is definitely what it is. So I don't know if I mentioned before, and also yes, I'm back with Penny. I don't know if I mentioned before, but Redbird does a monthly video on their YouTube channel where they show you things that you can request to be in your next box. So I watched that video, and there were some handbags and some hats that I really liked, and I do really like berets, but I don't have any. So I requested this red one, and here it is. But yeah, anyway, this is my beret. I just put it on. Luckily, it fits pretty well, and it feels like it's wool, which is kind of itchy, but I don't know, maybe I'll get it dry cleaned or something. I don't know. I'm glad that it fits because I do kind of have a big head, as weird as that sounds, and a lot of hats don't fit me. But I got this one on. It is stretchy, so that's good. That's nice too. And there's no tag on the inside, so I'm not sure who designed it or who made it or even how old it is, but I think it is very cute. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'm actually really happy that I got a beret and a scarf this month, just because I do really like the jewelry, but honestly, like, you can only wear so much jewelry, so I also appreciate accessories like hats and scarves and things too, because for me, like, those are things that I feel like I need, but I don't necessarily think about buying, so I don't have a lot of them. And I really appreciate these accessories so far. So let's see what is in here. I'm sure it'll be some good stuff. Next, I'm going to open my little bag of jewelry here and see what is inside. Opening up the bag, we do have a few things here. It looks like our color this month is orange, so that's nice. I'm glad that they listened to me and honored my request, because like I said, I did ask for some orange because I like to wear orange during the fall. So we have a few Oops, I dropped one. We have a few bags here. Let's open them up and see what's inside. Okay, so first up, looks like we have this orange necklace. It's very long, but it looks like one that would probably, you know, you'd put it on like this and then kind of twist it around and wear it like this, so it's layered. I think this necklace is very cute. It reminds me of the 60s. I'm not sure if that's when it's from, but that's kind of like the era I'm getting for this. And I like that there's some orange, like there's light orange beads and then darker orange beads to kind of break it up a little bit. And then like in between those, there's actually gold. This might not be from the 60s, I'm not sure. Could be like 80s as well. This is how the necklace looks on. I do think that it's cute. It's not necessarily something I would have picked for myself. For me, like all the necklaces I have are usually like a gold chain or a silver chain with like a statement piece on it. I don't usually go for like necklaces and stuff that are all beads, but I do like this one. I think that maybe I would wear it. Let's see what else we have here. I have some orange earrings to go with my new necklace here. These are kind of like hoops, but they have a stud on the back. And I think that they do go pretty well with the dark orange bead on here. I think they're pretty much the same color. But here's how they look. I'm going to put them in and show you. Here's how they look. I do really like these. These are pretty. And I like that they're kind of thinner too, not like a big wide chunky earring. So you can kind of wear them. And they're still a hoop, but they're still like kind of subtle too, which I like. These are really pretty. Okay, so the next and final two items I have here appear to be a necklace and a brooch. One of them I did request, so that's exciting. I will open them up now and show you how they look. It's a necklace that I requested. I asked for this really cute golden frog. As you can see, he's got like an emerald green gemstone in his back. And he's also got little green eyes as well that match. Hopefully you can see that. And he's on this really thick gold chain, which I find really pretty. And there's a little tag on the chain that says, looks like it says Sarakov. And we have a little clasp here at the end. And upon further inspection, it looks like this frog might be a locket because it looks like under his mouth here is a hinge and then maybe his butt opens. So I'm going to try to open it and see if it is a locket, I mean. Yep, it does open. So if I can pull him up by his butt and then it's like this. And hopefully you guys can see in there, but yeah, I think this is a locket. There's nothing in it, as you can see, but I feel like he could put pictures or something really small yet sentimental in there. And then it kind of just snaps shut like that, which is super interesting. I've never seen anything like this in my life. But I do love frogs and I love animals, so I told them before, like anything animal related, send it to me and I'll love it. And I saw this guy on Instagram, I believe, on their Instagram page, and I immediately asked for it. Luckily, I got him. So now I'm going to put him on and show you how it looks. Okay, so here is how my frog necklace looks on. I love him. I think he's very simple, yet unique and interesting, and I think he would look great with any outfit. The only thing that I don't love about it is that the chain isn't adjustable. As I showed you, there was only like one notch for the clasp. So you have to wear it at this length. But the good news is that I don't find that this is a bad length. I think it's nice. It's not too short and it's not too long. I think it's a good length to wear with most tops. This frog will definitely go with a lot of different outfits. And if I was unhappy with the chain, I could easily slide him off because he's on this big hoop here. I could easily slide this little froggy off and put him on a different chain if I wanted to. But overall, here's how he looks. He's definitely my favorite piece from this box so far. Up last is that brooch, so let me pull that out and show it to you guys and I'll let you know what I think of it. Okay guys, so here is my brooch. As you can see, it is also orange and gold and very sparkly in the center. If you flip it around on the back, it's got a backing almost like a pin where it has this little like mechanism that you lift up and then you can pin it and unpin it to whatever you're wearing. And you just push the little lever again to close it all the way. I think that this pin is pretty, but I'm not sure that it's my style. It definitely, to me, unfortunately, kind of reads like grandma. So it's not my favorite, but it is pretty. I don't know if I'd actually end up wearing it. Like, I don't know if I'd wear it as a brooch. Maybe I could put it on something else. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for how I can use this, because I do find it pretty. It just doesn't go with any of my clothes or my aesthetic or anything like that. Well, that is my Redbird vintage box for this month. I will say, hands down, my favorite piece is this little froggy that I requested. I love him. I think he's so cute. I also really liked these earrings. Once again, I think they're very pretty and they're definitely my style. I think they might be from like the 80s. I don't know if they're like super vintage or anything like that, but I do like them. I also really liked this scarf and this beret. I will definitely get good use out of them. Definitely great pieces for fall and winter. The only pieces that I weren't too crazy about was, again, this brooch, just because, like I said, it's pretty, but like, I don't know, it's not really my style. I don't see myself wearing it with anything. And then this necklace I also thought was pretty, but the fact that it's all beads kind of just throws me off, because as I mentioned, it's not really something that I would wear per se. The beads do kind of remind me of little pumpkins, but yeah, this necklace isn't my favorite. I'll probably will wear it like sometimes, but it's not like a piece that I could see myself getting a ton of use out of. But overall, that is my Redbird vintage box for the month of November. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of it. What were your favorite pieces from this month? I'm excited for my next month's box for December, because there were some really cool pieces that I requested in there as well that I can't wait to get. I feel like I also got less things this month than previous, but of course previous was my first box, so maybe, you know, they were feeling generous, or they wanted, you know, they had more to give me. I did request orange as the color of this box, so maybe that was the issue. Maybe they didn't have a ton of orange things to give me, so they kind of just gave me what they had. In the future, I guess I shouldn't request specific colors, because it kind of seems like it threw the vibe of the box off. So in the future, I will not be requesting specific colors besides what they have given me, besides the colors that I mentioned to them that I liked when I signed up. But yeah, that's it. I will see you guys next time with another Redbird vintage box video, and you guys should be expecting a few new videos from me very soon, so keep an eye out for those. I love you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.